Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show photo watermark on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open camera on your device. And then here I will try to take a picture. And then you can see that there is no watermark on this picture. Okay, how to show watermark on this picture? First, you can click the down arrow at the top, and then activate watermark by pressing this option. And then here I will try to take a picture once again, and then you can see the result that the watermark is successfully appeared. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show photo watermark on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.